Hey there. So we're gonna be doing a 5-minute workout focusing on the muffin top. I have the muffin top. So this is love handle. Usually people don't think I don't have a muffin top because I'm wearing high-waisted, but I wanted to show you in the video that. And for memory's sake and my physical fitness journey, that I did have a muffin top, and I've been trying to get rid of it for the last of my existence. So let's get started. After one more chip, and then we can start. Okay, starting now. So we're gonna do the bicycle crunch, and it's basically like this. And you could do it along with me, and I probably will die in the middle of this routine, so feel free to make fun of me or join with me and do it while we both struggle. Hey. Alright, ready? So the bicycle crunch is basically left to your right knee. Left to your right knee, and then right to your left knee cap. So we do 3 sets of 10. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Rest. Remember, this is a beginning workout, so don't feel bad if you can't do it, because we're going to be on the same boat, so yeah. Ready? Ready? Help me. Help me. Help me, Benjamin. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh. Ooh. Okay. Give it 30 seconds. Buddy, I'm gonna literally kick you in the face. I need you to move. Beep beep. Beep beep. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 10. Benjamin, I need you to sit up here. The next one is going to be the Russian twist, and that is basically 90-degree angle, cross your legs, right? A little bit flexible. And if you have weights, use a 5-pound dumbbell, or you can just use your body weight. Hold your hands like this, and then go like this, right to left, and this counts as 1. So we'll be doing 3 sets of 10. So, ready? And then we'll rest for 30 seconds, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh. Ooh. Oh man. Oh man. Benjamin, I'm gonna regret those chips. So rest for 30 seconds. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh. Yeah, you probably want to put some weight for it to be a little bit more effective and stuff, but ready? 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Try not to move your legs though. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh. Okay, we're doing great. Little sweat, you know. Okay. We're just gonna do some leg lifts. So you're basically gonna put a diamond right below your booty. Okay. And you're gonna lift with your core, not with your back. So if your back goes like curved or whatever, you're doing it wrong. So like, hold on, like so. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ooh. 4. Oh my god. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh. Ooh. Well, I'm not gonna regret those chips. I'm not gonna regret those chips. I love those chips. All ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. One day this will be like warm-ups to me. One day. We got this. You ready? Last set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm so out of shape. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for joining with me in this 5-minute workout. We all have 5 minutes. Stop lying to yourselves, all right? You know? And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.